What's up everybody, Manny from Motomillion here. In this video today we're going to show you something different. We're not working on the bike, but we've been getting a lot of inquiries about these beautiful bike mats that we use that are by Launchmat. That's the brand. The guys are up in Canada. They've come up with an amazing product. We've been using them for about a year and testing them. They're finally in production. As you see, this comes in a beautiful blue and white color that matches Walter Byers' S1000RR pretty neatly actually. And they come in various different colors, so if you have a red, orange, green, whatever color, you know, we have a lot of them in different colors on our website, as you can check it out to suit your taste or if you want to match your bike. So what makes these things special? You know, we're not rug specialists, but over time using these things, we've figured out a couple things here and there. These are made from nylon and not polyester, so there's a lot of polyester ones out there. They're not as durable, especially since these bikes are, you know, they're not heavy, but they're heavy enough to damage the polyester. When you go on these mats and when you start moving your wheels around, it gets a lot of wear in the tire area, and the nylon is much more resistant to wear, which makes it super nice. Another thing is that they're backed by rubber, so they keep a great shape on when you lay them down, but the most important thing about this rubber is that it's chemical resistant. When you're working on your bike, changing your oil, especially if you don't want to damage your beautiful driveway, it really holds all the chemicals in the nylon. And again, talking about chemicals in nylon, it makes it a lot easier to clean. We just grab some soap, brush it on there, just rinse it off, and it looks beautiful as it did from day one. And I think the designs are beautiful. There's two different designs, and this is one of them, obviously. I think it's neat, especially this little grid line that they put. This is in this beautiful blue that matches Walter's bike. And we have them in various colors, red, blue, green, orange, whatever you guys like. They're available now, so check them on the website. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, have a great one.